saw them during sound check. So Neil McBurney, he is a fellow JP Stevens alumni. So JP Stevens Hawks, are you here tonight? Okay. Well, are the Edison to have with us today, Neil and friends, to join us here in Edison, New Jersey. Let's give them a big round of applause. Neil, my friend, please come up. Woo-hoo! Neil McBurney, Neil and friends, let's give a round of applause.
All right, Edison, how you doing? Thanks for your patience during the sound check. Hope you guys are having fun. We have a nice little set planned for you, so sing with us, dance with us, enjoy. कैसे करोगे सत्य नाम रहोगे ऐसे करोगे कहेंगे जो तुमने है नाम तेरा है तुझको ही गाऊं मैं तुझको पुकारूं सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ तुझे छोड़ूं तो कुछ मुझे हो जाएगा जो मैं चाहता न हो मुझको हो न जाए प्यार तुमसे मुझे कर देगा बर्बाद मुझे
Let's make some noise!
Such an amazing crowd. So Mayor, this is my second Diwali here. So I have been to half of the Diwali celebrations in Edison, so it's wonderful.
3, 2, 1, happy Diwali! What a moment. For the singer, entertainer, performer, global sensation, Raghav! Let's make some noise! He's not gonna come on.
तेरी आँखों में इकरार की बातों में भीगी भीगी रातों में मुझको खो जाना तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया ओ हैप्पी दिवाली Edison!
Edison, I need your hands side to side. Here we go, here we go. लड़की को देखा तो Yes, there's no ओ मेरी जान जान ओ मेरी दिलरुबा ओ मेरे पास आ कहीं ना जाना हो Just tell me you'll stay by my side. So let's say adios. Let's go with this. But I can lose the jacket to just get it. Say that I can't take it like it's that.
New Jersey, let's make some noise for Baga. We have Mayor Sam Joshi up here as well. We're gonna do something because all of you look so beautiful out there. We're gonna do a quick.
There you go.
Sharing with you today a story about Diwali. Years ago, there was a good warrior who fought long and hard to defeat evil. Following the warrior's journey, friends and neighbors lit diyas to guide the warrior home. Today, we celebrate Diwali and the success of light over darkness by placing diyas in our homes and communities. The warrior story reminds us of the importance of home and good over evil.